Hey there, creatives! It's Michael from Artefacti, and today I've got something super fun and festive for you. Just released the 50 Easter videos, MP4 Promo Bundle, and if you're working on anything spring-themed, kid-friendly, or just flat-out adorable, this one's for you. This bundle includes 50 beautifully animated MP4 videos, all AI-generated and filled with color, charm, and Easter cheer. You'll get cute baby chicks, colorful eggs, joyful kids, bunnies in flower fields, chocolate galore, and warm golden hour scenes that just make you smile. Let's break it down. 50 animated MP4s, Full HD resolution, 1920 by 1080, 10 seconds per clip, 100% AI generated, only 300 megabytes total. And the whole thing? Just 99 cents. Yep, for less than a cup of coffee, you can instantly add a joyful, vibrant vibe to your Easter videos, social media content, slideshows, invitations, or even family greeting cards. This is the perfect mini pack if you want to try out Artefacti's quality for the first time, or just want a bunch of lovely visuals to play with this season. Check the link in the description to grab your bundle, and make your content bloom with creativity this Easter. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay creative and enjoy the season.